Welcome back to the sneaker division. We got another one for you. I ordered some Funko Pops. Hopefully this is the one that my lady wants, so I can give that to her. I'm gonna unveil the Funko Pop. Let's see which one this one is. And we have Peter Pan.
That's pretty dope. This is the Disneyland Resort 65th anniversary edition stuff. So this is actually really cool. They got a whole bunch of like the old school Disneyland Funko Pops, which includes I think the Matterhorn and like the Splash Mountain and things like that. It's really cool. That's what's up.
Yeah, like how it has like the box has like a vintage look to it.
Yeah, it looks like it's yellowed, like it
like from back in the days,
yeah.
From like the material they use.
Yeah.
All right, and then these sneakers right here. Let me tell you a story about these sneakers. These right here.
Those right there.
When these came out, I could not get them because I had the choice to either cop the Jordans that came out,
okay,
or these. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
Of course, I'm gonna cop the Jordans. I always wanted these so bad. I never got the chance to. Now these go back to 1996, dude. So this is how old school these are.
Okay. Over 20 years old.
Jason Kidd, Penny Hardaway wore these shoes. Alright. Air Zoom Flight 96.
Okay. Wait, these are actually from 96?
Yeah, bro.
Like these are like
Dead
retro?
stock. Yeah, these are dead stock retro.
Bro, these are in really good condition.
See how beautiful these are?
What is that, 20 years old, 24
Dude.
years old?
And then like in 6 more years, that'll be what, 30 years?
I like the carbon fiber. Like it feels
Yeah.
like carbon fiber even, like, especially
These-
on the midsole part.
These, by the way, are 11 and a half. This is the only size I can snatch, but hey, I'll make it work because, you know, these are hard to come by. These are like lost jewels. There's a gray colorway that I want as well that has the different shades of gray and looks super dope. Same carbon fiber type of deal. I saw these and I was like, oh my God. I started researching all over the internet for them. And I could not find them. And it took me like 2-3 days. And finally, I think it was like on that third day, I found somebody on Poshmark that had them and had these for dead stock. And I was like, if I don't snatch them, I'm never gonna see them again. Because right now, StockX has them for $300.
Yeah.
I'm super happy.
Gotta take black light over them, make sure they're not fakes.
I know, right?
Nah. They don't look like fakes.
Nah,
They look like they're pretty legit.
But yeah.
They're pretty dope. That's what's up.
Yeah, these and the gray ones are my favorites. So I'm gunning for the favorites, so hopefully I get those soon. That's it, my friends. Thank you. I just wanted to share that with you guys.
That's what's up, man. Looks good. Well, nice to be important. More important to be nice.
We catch you later.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. There's more over here if you like where that came from.
Remember, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. We'll catch you later.